Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic chemistry questions for you. Here you have bromine tetrachloride. You have cation. You got to find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number. Steric number is H equals B plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Here bromine valency is 7, chlorine atoms are 4. So if you substitute in the formula, you have 5. The lone pair calculation will be H minus B, which equals 1. H5 means sp3d hybridization, which is trigonal bipyramidal. But you have one lone pair in the system. The lone pair come in equatorial position. So if you look at really the 3D structure, the structure will be CSIR, because we don't count the lone pair because it is not visible. So the shape of BrCl4 cation is CSIR structure. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.